Hey everyone, welcome back to the Contreras Reviews channel. And in this channel, what we do is we review products and we let you decide if you think it's worth it or not. And we let you decide if you're going to buy it or not. And today we are going to be reviewing this little desk vacuum by TRZLIFE that they sent to us as a gift to review. So I'm excited. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you what it does and how it works. Okay, so this is what the product looks like, the little desk vacuum. And the way it works is you charge it here and you turn it on through here. And you can see it's on right now and it just suctions everything here at the bottom. And I want to open it up to you and show you how it looks. It has a little filter here, and this is where it's, it uses the fan to suck everything up. And I'm going to turn it on and show you how it works. Okay, so I have here a few pieces of paper. I don't have any dust or anything like that, so I can't show you how it does with that. I'm pretty sure if it can pick up the paper, it can pick up the dust. It has these brushes right here. I'm not sure exactly, how it's supposed to work, if there's like stains or anything. I don't think it's supposed to clean stains. It could. I'm sure it could. But I definitely think this is more for just like a desk, just in general use. And I did look at how long it does last. So if you charge it fully, I think it takes 2 hours to charge fully. It'll last about 5 or 6 minutes, and that's talking having it on non-stop, which of course that's never going to be the case. So it did say 400 minutes. So I did the math and it's about 6 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes. It depends, right? But of course, when you use it, you're only going to use it for maybe even 30 seconds and then stop. So it can definitely last a long time with just one charge. And let's go ahead and try it out and see how it works. And see, you can see it does get a little stuck here. That's because it's paper. You can see it does the job. I missed one. It does the job. See, nothing here. It does the job. It leaves it clean. You definitely don't want to leave any food or anything, crumbs on there, sitting there for a long time. But you just clean it out. Here's the filter. And you just put it back up and you're good to go. Once you're ready to throw it out in the trash, you just open it. It just comes with this extra filter here. As you can see, it comes with the charger. It does come with a little brush. That way you can clean the filter or clean whatever you need to clean the little vacuum on there. And this is actually pretty cool. I kind of like this. So what you do is you attach it to the bottom, and it just works kind of like an extension. And obviously these pieces of papers are a little big, but you can see it works. It's sucking them in. You see. Again, this is for desk use. This is not a super strong vacuum that can pick anything up. It's definitely just for your desk. It's for small uses, but I think it's pretty cool. I think it's a nice gift that you can give someone that works, in the office, or just to use in general at home, in their office, in their desk every day. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's pretty cool, like I said, but let me know if you think it's worth it. Let me know if you're gonna purchase one for yourself or purchase one to give to someone as a gift. Definitely interested in what you guys think. If there's any other products that you want us to review, definitely let us know in the comments and we'll do our best to get to them. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to help us out, you can help us out by liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and we'll definitely be posting more videos of products that we think are pretty cool, or maybe they're not. You be the judge. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.